this House cannot legitimately and in good faith and under the rule of law impeach General Paxton today on the record that it has before it. Members of the House, to me, this process is indefensible. It's absolutely indefensible. Not to be critical of anyone, but when you look at the precedent precedent is so important. I recently argued a case in the Supreme Court of Texas, and our argument was that precedent matters. And as the court pointed out in both its majority and concurring opinions, it said that precedent is important for two reasons. One is because of predictability, and the other is stability. Stability and predictability. That's important in the law, and it's important in House and Senate procedure. Not one witness was ever examined by the committee. Not one fact witness who knew anything about anything was examined in the committee. Do you know how it worked? They had these investigators, these kind of anonymous we know their names, we know a little bit about them. These investigators, they came and spoke to the committee. From the record that I've been able to uncover, and I confirmed this with Mr. Murr, they were not even required to sign witness affirmation statements before the committee. Now, we require witness affirmation statements when somebody testifies on behalf of a local or an uncontested bill, but we didn't require it in this instance. And what you've heard and what's in this report is not one shred of evidence. You're all familiar with the term hearsay, but what you have in this case is triple hearsay in most cases. It is hearsay within hearsay within hearsay. No prosecutor would ever try to get a grand jury indictment based solely on hearsay within hearsay within hearsay. No jury would ever convict. No civil jury could ever award judgment or enter a verdict based on the evidence that's before this House today. And so that's another thing. There was no ability for counsel for Mr. Paxton to cross-examine. There was no opportunity for anyone to cross-examine.